Welcome back on the VST channel, guys. It's been more than a week me running the latest Samsung June AWF1 update. As we now know, a lot of other countries got it. Egypt, I think some parts of India as well. Romania got it, Serbia got it, UK got it, right? So Europe is getting this. And there are some rumors that some countries like Korea and also China might get the AWF2, but we don't know about it, or I don't know about it, and okay, that's not important right now. What is important right now is to really try to resume my test. Now guys, it is already 36 degrees here, the place I live, but I just put my AC on. I have 24 degrees and I want to show you the ambient temperature is 26. All right, so it's still kind of okay, and we have 27 degrees on the phone. One of the first tests I want to do, guys, is I want to do the 3D Mark extreme stress test, guys. If I am to open Good Guardian, guys, you know there is something called the thermal guardian. From here you can apparently just up your thermal threshold. This means that the phone will tolerate 2 degrees Celsius more than usual, hopefully boosting that performance and trying to sustain it. Okay, also, you know what, guys, let me just share, if you want to remove the GOS, you need to go inside the game launcher. Inside the game launcher, guys, you need to go into the game boost, and inside the labs there's going to be a setting called alternate game performance management. Use an experimental game performance management system that may improve some game performance, tends to cause heating now. But again, guys, the 3D Mark is not really a game, but what I did try to do this, guys, I tried to add it here inside my games, and I get this trick from some other YouTubers. So guys, check here, 48% stability. The first time I extreme stress tested my phone 2 days after I got the June update, it was really a disaster. Why? Because the lowest loop score was just very low, 1830, and the highest one actually was even a bit better compared to what I get on the May update, but overall the gap is just too big. You know the drill, it's 20 loops, okay, no case on the phone. You can also see, guys, I'm putting for you here the ambient temperature, and let's just see how well the phone is going to perform or not. I'm gonna speed up the video to just try to save you all of it watching, guys. I'm gonna do some measurement of the temp, maybe in the middle when we reach like 10 tests out of 20, and then let's just do the recap. Hopefully let's try to get some nice results. One measurement, guys, in the very early test. So we have already 40 Celsius. This is actually the loop number 2, so 40 Celsius, 40.5. Let's just see how much we can pump. Loop number 5, and let's check the status, guys. 45.6. Wow. The ambient temperature, guys, is still 26. My AC is pumping. By the way, the frame rates are 1820. Let's just see. Let's hope we're gonna get something more than before. I'm just hoping more than 70% stability, but let's see. I'm just going to fast forward again. Alright, guys, this is now loop number 10 starting 46.1. Alright, so again, guys, I'm telling you, if you want to allow your Samsung Galaxy to take more hit, right, of course you have to accept and pay the price. The sacrifice is battery, right? But then the phone, hopefully taking more hit, will allow the phone to just sustain the performance, meaning that you can probably play heavy graphic intensive games longer before the phone starts dropping frames whatsoever. If you don't want to mess up with this, guys, just don't use thermal guardian. Right now I'm just doing this for the test. I want to pump the max out of this phone. Let's fast forward. It's loop number 15, 45.4. So guys, S23 Ultra, 47 almost, but S23 Ultra is still very stable. I was able to push with tests like this my Oppo Find X6 Pro to almost 58 Celsius. 56 for the Xiaomi 13 Ultra. So the S23 Ultra thermally is way more stable, but let's see what will happen at the end. Okay. Whew. All right. Oh, yep. The phone feels hot. Oh, 60% only. 60%, guys. So this is not what I was hoping for. Yeah, but it's indeed a bit better from what I got last time. Still using the June update. Alright, 60% is not so bad, but I was getting more. I'm going to show you with some of the previous updates. The best loop score is 3600. You can see it's the first score apparently. And then the lowest loop score, guys, is 2191. Oops, 2191 was loop 13. So see here, guys, only one drop messed the whole result. I guess else we're going to get a bit more. In terms of stability, you can just see, guys, this is the battery from 70%, 58%, temperature increase from 35% to 44%, guys, frame rate from 9 FPS to 26 FPS. You can just see the battery with the frame rate, and I can also show you the temperature, which is this graph here, and the frame rate. And I want to show you guys something very important. This is here the results. So this is the current result. This here was the result with the June update 2 days after I was using it, with a even higher best loop score, but a very low loop score. And this time the lowest loop was at the end, exactly here. So we had got like 2 drops, right? But then still the stability was worse. But guys, you can pretty much see there were times I was getting 75% when I was testing this beauty with the May update. Is that a problem? I don't think so. Did Samsung change anything? I'm not sure if Samsung did change anything. So guys, I urge you to repeat my test and to share your results below, and just keep watching. I want to fully test the June update before I'm able to produce my full video. Thank you so much, guys, for all the feedback that you're sharing. There are already a lot of reports in all of the comments. You can check the community posts, you can check all the June videos. Stay safe, guys. VST over and bye.